Hi there, I wasn't planning on buying any more LEGO Minifigures Series 9, but I caught in the store that there's a discount one, so 50 cents here. This one they say it's missing a baseboard for figure. So when you feel around here, I can feel a square tile. The only one that has that, I believe, is the Roman soldier, or Roman person. And this other one's also 50 cents, so they're both 50 cents instead of the 350. And this one is the judge, as it says here. It's missing the hammer. So I'm just gonna open these up now. So first I'll start with the Roman soldier. That. Let's see what I get. And it is, and it's been already assembled. That's the Roman soldier. So I'll just disassemble him again, just for the sake of it. So here we have his feet. Lots of detail. And on the back, it's not much. And here we go. There's the cape. Now here's the head. Just like that. It also has a lot of detail. And last but not least, his hair, which has little gold colored leaves on it. Not sure what they call it. So that's him. And he comes with this little Veni Vidi Vici or something. Not sure what that is. And there we go. Now let me just grab a little base plate for him. And by the way, these are what are supposed to be in Series 9. That's the Roman soldier. And the judge is this guy over here. Oh, he's missing the hammer, so we'll see. I'll just quickly grab one base. Okay, and here we go. We have a little base plate for him. And that's him. As you can see, there's like little sandals on his feet. It's drawn on. Even at the back. So I'll put that there. And next, this should be the judge. So I'll open this. See what we get. There's his head. Oh, rolled away. There we go. And there we go. And that is spectacular. The hammer's not missing. Okay, so let's see what we get here. I believe they said it wrong. Another base plate is missing. It's empty here. So that's okay. I have plenty of bases. And again, here's another checklist. So let me just assemble him. There's his feet. And here's his torso. He has a little black or red cape or thing going on here. Here's his head. A lot of facial features here. He's got eyebrows, eyeglasses, frown lines, and on his forehead as well. And I believe I forgot something, sorry. Yep, there's his cape, as you can see it's shown here. So you have to fold this over. Now I don't really like these because these make the minifigures and Lego a lot more, seems to be more fragile. And usually Lego is durable. Just like that, you have the cape, like so. Next, you just put it right on top, like that. And his head goes on, straight on, like this. Now, he doesn't look right until he has his special wig on. So, place that on top as well, just like that. And surprisingly enough, his hammer. There we go. This little hammer. And also, I'll need to get him his own base plate. So, 1 second. Here we go, another base plate. So let me just zoom in on them. Again, this was the Roman soldier, or Roman citizen, and the judge. Thanks for watching.